An Aussie-border collie mix is getting national attention after she was born with 6 legs.
ABC's Will Ganss shows you how an entire team of doctors is coming together to help Skipper with her defect.
Dr. Tina Neal and the staff at Neal Veterinary Hospital thought they'd seen it all.
We're 24/7. We've never closed in over 20 years.
Even when this week's massive winter storm slammed the area around their Oklahoma City location, 25 employees staying at the hospital for 72 hours straight. And when the storm finally passed, in came Skipper. She's a healthy and hungry newborn Aussie Border Collie mix.
I mean, she just acts like a normal puppy. It's amazing.
Who just happens to have 6 legs.
She has duplicate organs from basically her waist down, and they all seem to be functioning.
Skipper was rejected by her mama, which is how she wound up with Dr. Neal.
This is the first puppy like this that they know of that was born alive.
A miracle. Skipper's a miracle.
Yes. Right.
Some self-professed experts chiming in on Facebook. Some animals should not be saved. This animal should be put down.
It's horrible. I just cannot believe anybody would say that.
But they're wrong. Skipper's already learned to climb out of bed and is a healthy weight for her age.
She acts like a strong, healthy puppy. So we want to give her the chance.
What does that make you feel like as a veterinarian, as a person, to see this miracle dog, coming into your animal hospital?
Oh, it makes me really happy because she's so strong. It's kind of like the underdog, you're rooting for her.
But no pupper pity party here. While her 8 brothers and sisters eat together, Skipper is more than happy to be bottle fed.
Yeah, she's eating for 1.5. So.
Dr. Neal thinks Skipper will likely need some physical therapy as she continues to grow and gets used to walking around on 6 paws. But if you'd like to follow along or learn how to help, check out Skipper's Journey on Facebook. Will Ganss, ABC News, New York.
That dog was adorable. It should not be put down. It should be given a chance.
There you go.
What a little cutie. Oh my goodness. Okay.